In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Firefox browser in 1 minute. If your Firefox browser feels a little slow, isn't displaying updated website content correctly, or you're simply trying to free up some temporary storage space, clearing the browser cache can often help. The cache stores temporary files from websites you've visited, allowing pages to load faster in the future. However, over time, these files can become outdated or take up unnecessary space, making it useful to clear them occasionally. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Firefox browser. Once Firefox is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window and click on the menu button. This button is represented by 3 horizontal lines and gives you access to Firefox's settings and customization options. After clicking the menu button, select Settings from the list of available options. This will open Firefox's settings page, where you can manage privacy preferences, security options, and other browser-related configurations. When the settings page appears, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through the available categories until you find Privacy and Security. Click on this section to access Firefox's privacy and data management settings. Inside the Privacy and Security page, continue scrolling until you reach the Clear Browsing Data area. This section allows you to remove different types of stored browser information, including cached files and cookies. When you open the Clear Browsing Data window, you'll see multiple options that can be selected. For this tutorial, make sure the option for temporary cached files and pages is checked. This is the setting responsible for clearing the stored cache files from your browser. At the same time, locate the option labeled Cookies and Site Data, and make sure it is unchecked. Leaving this option unchecked ensures that your saved website logins, preferences, and certain site-specific data remain untouched while only the cache is removed. Take a moment to verify your selections before proceeding. The goal here is to clear only the temporary cached files while keeping your cookies and site data intact. Once you've confirmed that temporary cached files and pages is selected and cookies and site data is not selected, proceed with clearing the cache. Firefox will remove the stored temporary files, helping refresh website content and potentially improving browser performance. And that's all there is to it. In just a minute, you've successfully cleared the cache in Firefox without affecting your cookies or saved site data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.